Are you looking for a partner that is specialized in assembly of equipment construction and machines with complex parts, using metal as a main component? Welcome to Pillen Projects. The customer has a challenge. The team at Pillen Projects discusses the issues, whereby feasibility, re-engineering and assembly play an important role. We can provide the complete production and sourcing of components for the customer. With over 60 years of experience in the manufacturing industry, we achieve this with our project managers using our modern ERP systems. In the workplace, 3D technical drawings are consulted. Our welders are experienced in welding various materials such as aluminium and stainless steel. Precision is required when it comes to assembling fine mechanical product assemblies. Here, electrical components can also be optionally installed and tested. Small appliances and precision mechanical parts are carefully packed. Pillen Projects is your full-service partner for the production and assembly of your device and machine. Let's make it!